Ladies and gentlemen, Mamata Banerjee has had a series of very enthusiastic meetings in Delhi, one after the other. It's such a pace. It's difficult to even follow her for reporters. She's set the agenda, one top leader after the next. She's grabbed the headlines. She's been vocal that she is here to stitch an anti-Modi alliance. She's vocal, she is here to defeat Narendra Modi, she says. But what is this alliance? Beyond the idea of it. Can it be a real challenger? Can it really take on the BJP in 2024, or is it still hanging on too many uncertainties? Here are the developments, and then we debate the 5 real questions.
খেলা হবে খেলা একটা হয়েছে 5ই মেজার রেজাল্ট আপনারা পেয়েছেন খেলা আবার হবে যতদিন বিজেপিকে ভারতবর্ষ থেকে বিতাড়িত আমরা না করতে পারি ততদিন রাজ্যে রাজ্যে খেলা হবে এভরি বুথে খেলা হবে সমস্ত জায়গায় খেলা হবে
Moving fast through her hectic meetings with top-line opposition leaders in the national capital, Mamata Banerjee brought the Khela Hobe slogan to the political capital of India. Before her meeting with Sonia Gandhi, loaded with political craft, Mamata neither confirmed nor denied being the face of the opposition. After her meeting with Sonia Gandhi, where Rahul Gandhi was also present, Mamata Banerjee confirmed what Prashant Kishore had subtly hinted a few weeks ago, the idea of a common anti-Modi platform.
Yes, Sonia ji invited me for a cup of tea. Rahul ji is also there. So we met, we discussed the political situation in general, and also we discussed about Pegasus to COVID situation, and also we discussed about the unity of the opposition. So all we discussed, it was a very good meeting, positive meeting. I think the positive result must come out in the next future. देखिए बीजेपी को हराने के लिए सबको एक होना जरूरी है हम अकेला कुछ नहीं है सब एक साथ में मिलके काम करना पड़ेगा हम थोड़ा लीडर है हम तो कैडर है हम तो रोड का हम तो स्ट्रीट का आदमी है
Mamata claimed that Sonia Gandhi also wanted a united opposition. But the question is, will the Gandhi Vadra Congress give up leadership of the opposition? Will Sonia Gandhi agree to abdicate the leader's role? Mamata's next meeting was with Arvind Kejriwal, and while the chemistry was again aced, what about the equations and the math?
Mamata Banerjee, as per 2019 record, has a 4.1 national vote share with a mere footprint beyond West Bengal and marginally in the state of Assam. Arvind Kejriwal, on the other side, is aggressively expanding his footprints beyond Delhi, targeting 6 specific states in a big Punjab elections where he has decided to go alone. So, what about the national missions of Arvind Kejriwal?
So while the enthusiasm is intact in the opposition through Mamata's meetings has displayed the excited, coordinated chemistry, what are the equations in the anti-Modi alliance? What is the structure? And how does the math work out on a national stage? Let's debate.